Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Glam Girl Krishna. So in today's video, I'm gonna to sharing with you guys Eid makeup look. So without wasting any more time, let's just start with this video. So first of all, I'm gonna be using this vitamin C plum serum.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to
Next, I'm gonna be using this Bioderma cream.
just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking
Next, I'm gonna be using this My Glam lip balm.
I should call up all night.
First things first, it is so important no matter the weather to prime your face because it just helps makeup evenly stick to your face and last a lot longer. I'm gonna be using this Rainy Bollywood filter primer.
I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that just walk away.
Now moving on to concealer, I'm gonna be using this Manish Malhotra concealer shade Natural.
Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go.
Next I'm going to use a concealer and I'll be using this one. This is Swiss Beauty concealer shade medium. I'm going to use a little bit of concealer in all the acne scars, pimples and dark areas of my face.
I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good?
Next for a foundation today, I'll be using Maybelline New York Fit Me Full Coverage Foundation shade 220. And I'll using brush to apply a foundation. Always you actually don't need to use lot of this foundation. It just gives the really good coverage guys. So just one pump is more than enough to cover your entire face.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.
Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'll be using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. What I'm gonna do first is I'll take this color here which is close to my dress color and I will apply it in my crease well.
I hope you still want me. I hope you still need me a million years from now.
I'm going to take this shade from this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and apply it on the top of my eyes and done.
The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the lights beyond the sky.
Next I'm going to use a Swiss Beauty highlighter. I'm first going to highlight my inner corner, my brow bone, just a little bit highlighter, just hint of highlighter.
I'll be with you eternally.
Next for eyebrows, I'll be using Maybelline Brow Pencil shade brown. Then I drop out of shape, then I brush them upwards and fill out all the gaps.
Eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high. Keeps me high.
Next I'm going to use a Lakme Kajal shade black. Now just set the base first. I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Alright, moving on to blush. I'll be using Mars blush shade pink. Now next to highlight on my face, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty Insta Glow highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight all the high points on my face.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.
I'm using Sugar Cosmetic Bronze Palette, and I am lightly contouring my cheekbones, my nose and my jawline here.
I hope you still want me. I hope you still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for
I am going to take a little bit of blush and start applying it, one at the soft of my cheeks, little bit my nose as well.
an
Next I am going to use a Swiss Beauty mascara.
eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high.
Now next for a lip, I'll be using Swiss Beauty lip liner shade Red Hot.
Keeps me high.
Lastly, I'm gonna be using Swiss Beauty liquid lipstick shade Red.
I hope you still want me. I hope you still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high.
And yeah, this is the final Eid makeup look. If you guys enjoy watching this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video in my channel.